Hey there, boys and girls. Day 19 of our December daily math. And let's go. Number 1 says fill in a number to make this true. So some number is less than 900. So you could have any number you want up to and including 899. So as long as the number is somewhere between like 0 and 899, that's a lot of choices, right? You're good to go. Any one of those numbers. Okay? So let's just choose one. Okay? Let's go 241. I just shook it. You don't have to have 241, but any number as long as it's less than 900. Okay? Fix the mistake. 642, 2. So if we're breaking this apart into standard form, this would have to be 40. So it'd be 600 plus 40 plus 2. Okay? Number 3, Sophie started walking her dog at 4 o'clock. They walked for 30 minutes. What time did they finish? All right, well, let's get this cranked up to 4 o'clock. Okay, there's 4 o'clock, and they walked for 30 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. There's 30 minutes, okay? What time did they finish? So it's going to be 4. And now we count the minutes, the blue ones, 30. 4:30. So a half an hour, 30 minutes. All right. Ooh, a part whole. 32 plus something equals 67. We know if we have the big number and we can subtract it. Seven minus 2, more on the floor, more on top. No need to stop, right? 6 minus 3. There you go. Count by twos. 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. There's going to be another 10. So we have 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. All right, boys and girls, great job on that today. Hope you can put down a great score once again. You guys are doing so well. We only have one day left, day 20. So we'll see you tomorrow for that, okay?